A Romanian court has approved a request from Britain to extradite controversial social media influencer Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan over new offences. The ABC's Europe correspondent Catherine Diss has more from London.
Andrew and Tristan Tate were arrested by Romanian police and detained for 24 hours after authorities there received an extradition order from British police over fresh allegations of sexual offences between 2012 and 2015. There's vision of the pair arriving at court this morning. They're flanked by officers and led from the back of a police van in handcuffs and into the Bucharest Court of Appeal, where a judge there was to decide whether or not to approve that extradition order. A few hours went by, but the court did decide to approve it, but to delay it and to delay their deportation until after a separate criminal trial into local offences made on Romanian soil was concluded. Now, they relate to charges made on Romanian soil where they were indicted last year for charges of human trafficking, rape and forming a criminal gang to sexually exploit women. They deny all of the charges. We heard from the lawyer for both Andrew and Tristan Tate today outside court. He said in relation to these fresh allegations, they thought that this investigation had been closed. They were not aware that it had been reopened and were not aware of any new evidence submitted by authorities. The court did rule that both Andrew and Tristan could be released from custody, and we heard from Andrew Tate outside court today. Let's take a listen.
We are innocent men. No, we're very innocent men, and in time everybody's going to see that, and we're very excited to finish this judicial process and clear our names.
Investigative reporter and author Matt Shea has made 2 documentaries and is poised to release a book into the Tate brothers. He says he understands that these charges relate to victims in Bedfordshire because that's the police district in which issued this arrest warrant.
What I was able to confirm was that this arrest warrant was issued by the Bedfordshire police. So it's interesting because one of the women who claims Andrew Tate raped her several years ago first went to the Bedfordshire police with that claim, and they chose not to pursue it. And according to these, this was several years ago, according to these women, her and some other women who also accuse him, if the police had taken their case seriously, and if the Crown Prosecution Service had taken it more seriously, then Andrew Tate could have been stopped there and then.
The pair have been released from custody, but they have been placed under a judicial control order in Romania, which means that they are not allowed to leave the country. A decision on when a local trial could start is yet to be decided, with Romanian courts currently backlogged. So as to when the pair could be extradited to the United Kingdom to face these fresh charges is unclear at this point in time.